A very happy morning and cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you, beta? Are you happy? Okay, even I am happy. Okay, so you learn, you know, I have taught you one story regarding the cobbler and the robot, how the robot helped the cobbler. So he was happy, like you, he was also happy. So today we will be doing the worksheet. Let's do. Today we will be going with the worksheets of robot and the cobbler. Let's find out. So let's watch the video and revise our story. The title is Robot and the Cobbler. So let's see. As you know, we have read there was a cobbler. There was a cobbler and he was very poor. He used to stay with his wife Girija. Who was Girija? Her wife. They both were poor. So one day who came? A boy came to them and he saw a nice pair of shoes that he has made. Cobbler has made. See children, who has came to the cobbler? Are you able to see? A boy with his robot. He has came to the cobbler and what he finds? A boy finds a nice pair of shoes which was lying in the cobbler's shop. And then what happens? The boy says that he needs a shoe because he loved that shoes, and he tries and that the shoes fit in his feet. So he was happy. And what the boy told to the cobbler? That I will come next day by the time you keep my toy with you. Which one is that toy? Which one is that toy? Robot. Children, do you know what robot can do? Robot can do everything. It is a mechanical device, so he can perform everything. So that boy gives his toy to Girija and the cobbler, and both of them were happy to see. Now next day what happens? They were not having the leather to make a shoe. So Girija told, I am having a small piece of leather. So with that we can make the shoe. And Girija gives the leather to the cobbler. And cobbler makes the shoes. See how the cobbler is making the shoes. Are you able to see? And he will make a nice pair of shoes from the leather. And when Girija gave him a small piece of leather, so what he did with Harry, what did he did with a piece of leather? Then after cutting that piece of leather, then he goes to a bed as he was tired with whole day work. The next morning he gets a surprise. Why was he surprised? Harry, look Girija, a pair of shoes. Girija, they are so beautiful. Now we can sell these shoes and get money. Harry buys leather. With the money he gets, he cuts a pair of shoes. He is tired. As you read children, with that money he goes to the market and sells the shoes, and with that money he buys the leather, and the procedure went on again. He cuts the leather and he again went to sleep, and next day what happened? Again they got a new pair of shoes. Again they both were surprised, though this kept on happening. So one day what happened? Harry and Girija, they decided to find out who is making such a beautiful pair of shoes. Who is that who is making a nice attractive pair of shoes? So what happens? Harry, tonight let's hide and see. That night they hide behind the door. दरवाजे के पीछे छुप गए देखने के लिए कि इतने अच्छे शूज कौन बना रहा है. Soon they hear a sound. It goes rrr, rrr. They see robot moves, and as it moves it sings beep beep. So finally they found out who was helping them? A robot. Who was helping them? A robot, because they saw them making the shoes for the cobbler, for the Harry. So finally they found out who was the helping hand, who was helping them to make a shoes. Who was that? Robert. Robert, why he was helping them? Because he thought, I like to help Harry, who is not at all greedy. He is so good and kind. in the morning a new pair of shoes. I want him to find. Robot finishes its work and stands in a corner. So Harry and Girija, they were so pleased with the robot. And what did they do for the robot? See, he stitched a pair of new shoes for robot. Who? Harry. And Girija stitches a new dress for it. And they dress up robot and wait for the little boy. Followed, beta? See children, new dress of robot. Are you able to see how he is dressed? In a new dress and a new pair of shoes. Very nice. And finally little boy came to collect his robot, and he was so happy to see the robot. And what he says? Little boy, robot looks smart. Robot looks smart. Thank you for the new dress and shoes for robot. Harry holds robot in his arms. Girija kisses in it. Robot whispers, thank you. Robot whispers, thank you. See, robot help whom? Harry and Girija. And written what they both of them did? They stitched a nice dress for them. So, robot helped them because they were so kind and they were not greedy. So, we should always be happy and we should not be greedy. Followed? Are you able to learn? Are you able to understand the meaning of the chapter? Okay, now let's do the worksheet. Now let's go with the worksheet, बच्चों. ठीक है? Look at the pictures and make new words. You have to add the picture and find out a new word. Sunflower equals to sunflower. What's the spelling? S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. C plus sun plus flower equals to sunflower. Followed, beta? Now see the next one. Hand plus bag equals to handbag. Followed? Handbag. Where you are going to write? Here. Isn't it? Followed, beta? Very nice. I am happy. For each of the letters given below, write names of persons, animals and things. One is done for you. See, letter is A, Ritu, rat, rug. And the next one is P. What's the name? Any name from P? Yes, Preeti. And animal, pig. And thing, you can write anything. Pencil, pen, anything of your choice, beta. Followed. Next one I'll read for you and you have to do on your own. 2 I have done for you. S. Name, animal, thing. And next one is H. Name, animal and thing. You have to write of your own. Followed, beta. So you will be doing the worksheet on your own. Underline the names of persons with red, name of special persons with blue, and names of things with green. Reena plays with her pet cat. So what you will be doing? Names of person with red. Okay children, I'll read for you and we'll do the practice. Come on, pay attention children. Underline the name of persons with red, names of special persons with blue and names of things with green. Now find out. Reena plays with her pet cat. So Reena is a special one. So we will be underlining with blue color. With blue color. Okay. Now see the next one. Ram. Ram is going to Chennai. So Ram is a special person. We have to underline with, yes, got it? With blue color. With blue color. Raghu lives in a village. So Raghu is a special one. So we have to underline with a blue color. Come on, now let's see the fourth one. Bhima is a poor man. So Bhima is a special one. Got it? I have given the clue. Now the last one. See, Bhima is a poor man. Bhima is a poor man. Bhima is a special one. We will be underlining with a blue. But man, it's not a special, so we will underline with a underline with the red color. Followed? Now see the next one. The peon rings the bell. Now it's a thing. We will be underlining with a green color. Let's find out where is the green color. Yes. So now see the next one. The peon rings the bell. So the peon is a yes, got it. So you have to underline with a red color, and thing we have to underline with a green color. Followed? You have followed whole exercise? Yes. Now we switch on to the next one. Now let's switch on the last question, that is find the special names from the cloud and write them in the given box. It's very simple. You have to just find out a name, special name from this cloud, and you have to fill over here. I tell you the names: Susan, Aman, India Gate, Asia, Kanpur City. Followed everyone? I have selected the names and you have to write over here in the given table. Followed everyone? I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the worksheet, and you will be writing in a very neat handwriting. Till then, remain safe. God bless you, beta.